Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from your Steam account. So from any browser, go and search for socialclub.rockstargames.com. So from here, go and tap your profile icon on the upper right corner and tap help, and then hover to your support and tap on it. And then you will be moved to another tab wherein you can see here the customer support of the Rockstar games, and they can just type in here or tap the social club. And in here, let's scroll down a bit and tap your social club account and tap account linking. So you can now change your account details here. So in another tab, let's open the question here, like the help button on how to unlink your Rockstar Social Club account from Steam. And then you'll be getting this information down below, and you just have to follow the steps here for you to unlink your account or your social club account. So all you have to do is to submit a support request or the nickname of the social club account that you have. You have to paste it here under the description. So together with your Steam ID for the Steam account that you want to um, unlink. So you can just tap any of the links over here, and then a screenshot of your profile legend. So you just put here under description. And then once you are done, then you can also put your uploads there and tap submit web ticket, and then have to wait for the estimated response. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.